Homemade lasagna with bechamel sauce. Homemade lasagna with bechamel sauce is a classic and rich Italian dish. Here's a recipe to make this delicious comfort food. Ingredients. For the lasagna: 1. 12 lasagna noodles. 2. 1 pound ground beef, or a mix of beef and pork. 3. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 4. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 5. 1 can, 28 ounces, crushed tomatoes. 6. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 7. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 8. 1 teaspoon dried basil. 9. Salt and freshly ground black pepper, to taste. 10. 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. 11. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 12. Fresh basil leaves for garnish, optional. For the bechamel sauce: 1. 4 tablespoons butter. 2. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 3. 4 cups whole milk. 4. Salt and freshly ground black pepper, to taste. 5. A pinch of nutmeg, optional. Instructions. 1. Cook the lasagna noodles. 1. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. 1. Cook the lasagna noodles according to the package instructions until they are al dente. 1. Drain and set aside. 2. Prepare the meat sauce. In a large skillet, cook the ground meat over medium-high heat until brown. Break it apart with a spoon as it cooks. Remove any excess fat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic to the skillet and cook until they are softened and fragrant. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, dried oregano, dried basil, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Simmer the sauce for about 15-20 minutes, or until it thickens. Remove it from heat. 3. Prepare the bechamel sauce. In a separate saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour and whisk continuously to create a roux. Cook for a few minutes until it turns a pale golden color. Gradually add the milk while whisking to avoid lumps. Continue to cook and whisk until the sauce thickens and coats the back of a spoon. Season the bechamel sauce with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg if desired. Remove it from heat. 4. Assemble the lasagna. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, spread a thin layer of the bechamel sauce to prevent sticking. Place a layer of lasagna noodles on the bottom of the dish. Spread a portion of the meat sauce on top of the noodles, followed by a layer of bechamel sauce and a sprinkling of mozzarella and Parmesan cheeses. Repeat the layering process until you've used all the noodles and sauce. Make sure the top layer is bechamel sauce and cheese. 5. Bake. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and bake in the preheated oven for about 30 minutes. Remove the foil and continue baking for an additional 10-15 minutes, or until the lasagna is bubbling, the top is golden brown, and the noodles are cooked through. 6. Serve. Let the lasagna rest for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh basil leaves, if desired. 7. Enjoy. 1. Serve your homemade lasagna with bechamel sauce hot and savor the delightful layers of flavor and richness.